truck we had JayZeewraps. And they got this crazy ass truck outside parked. Man, you can't believe it. Lord almighty. Oh, Lord. What in the country ass shit's going on here? My boy got like a 20-inch lift with about 30 wheels. JTX Forge. I see what's going on around this mug, man. That shit badass, bro. It goes up like that, bro. Yeah, man, I'm fucking with it. Let's see what's going on, man. I see it. Don't hate it. Appreciate it.
How was it on the highway?
Good.
Driving,
Normal, bro.
highway is probably normal.
It's normal, man.
From the first time I drove it without the lifting wheels.
Bro, it was, I mean, for a lifted truck, bro, it's good. I mean, shit. It do what it do. It do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Them boys ain't playing out here at JZ's, man. Let's see what's going on. Check out the sign, man. Check out the sign, kid. And my boy got the powder coated. What? Let's see what the hell going on with them JTXs. Concave, my boy. Boy, I see that truck. That truck crazy. That motherfucker right there, F250. 6.7. And I ain't playing. It's a 14-inch lift on that jump. 28 by 16 JTX Forge wheels. Off-road, concave style. You feel me? My boys is not playing around here. This is that Texas thing, man. You know what I'm saying? A powder coat pit. Powder coat go crazy, kid. See me cut? You see that? 6.6, you know what I'm saying? I see it, bro. We out here, man. Texas shit. Heavy. You gonna hear me for Yosemite. JayZeewraps in the building. Making shit happen. Y'all know what the deal is. Y'all know what the mo deal is, bro. It ain't no shame in the game. You finna roll out? Alright, kid. Let me get you a video of you rolling out, kid. That John, crazy beauty. Alright, kid. Just like that, he out of there. You feel me? It was so hot.
Careful with them. Hammer. Left and right.
the Dolph wrap on this junk.
Welcome back, JayZeewraps.
Yeah, RP Dolph, man. This shit beautiful. It's fucking beautiful, man. Fucking beautiful. Oh yeah. Yeah, they ain't playing over here, bro. You need that camo wrap, Dolph style? Come on down to JayZeewraps, kid. See it? All kinds of wheel selections. All kinds of colors. Yellow, green, red, orange, gold, blue. Some nice little pearl colors. It's a nice color right there. It's a nice color, kid. It's crazy. First time I seen this, bro. I got an F1 car. Got the shell of it. It's nice. Real nice. Dun, dun, dun.